Hello learners! Today we will going to study electricity and magnetism. In our most essential learning competency, our objective is to design an experiment to determine the factors that affect the strength of the electromagnet. Did you hear that sound? That sound is from the doorbell. A doorbell is a device which uses an electromagnet. Well, are you aware that many of the modern electrical appliances that you have at home would not work without electromagnet? Almost all kinds of electrical appliances that have motors in them make use of electromagnets. But what is an electromagnet? Electromagnet is a temporary magnet made by making electricity flow through a coil of wire. A magnet is usually made of iron. It can attract objects such as pins, nails, and other materials made of iron and steel. A nail is not a magnet, but it can be turned into one using electricity. An electromagnet attracts like real magnet. It can attract materials made of metals, like pins and thumbtacks. Electromagnet is done by coiling a wire around an iron nail and then letting electricity flow through it. So, an electrical wire, an iron nail, and a battery for the source of electricity are the materials needed to make an electromagnet. The iron nail acts as a magnet while electricity is flowing through the coil of wire. When electricity stops flowing, the nail stops attracting magnetic materials. How to make an electromagnet stronger? First, using more coils of wire. Second, increase the number of tri-cells or make it bigger. And then third, increase the size of the iron core. Hans Christian Ørsted, a Danish scientist, introduced electromagnetism in 1820. He was the first to notice that when electrons flowed through a wire, a nearby compass needle moved. This showed that there is an electromagnetic field around a wire carrying electricity. There are many uses of electromagnet. Many appliances, modern gadgets, and even toys are made of electromagnets. Electromagnets are used in transmitting signals through telephones, radio, and television. Commercial establishments make use of generators, transformers, and motors which are made of electromagnets. And a crane that lifts heavy objects is made of an electromagnet. Now, let's have our activity. The title of the activity is Choose Me. You just have to select the letter of the correct answer. Good luck! Which of the following devices make use of electromagnet? A. Electric bell, B. Electric buzzer, C. Telephone, or D. All of the given responses? The correct answer is letter D. All of the given responses. Which of the following is not a part of an electromagnet? A. The coil of wire, B. The nail as a core, C. The dry cell as the source of electricity, or D. Pins and clips attracted by the electromagnet? The correct answer is letter D. Pins and clips attracted by the electromagnet. What happens when a part of an electromagnet is disconnected? A. It loses its magnetism. B. Electricity continues to flow through it. C. The electromagnet becomes a permanent magnet. Or D. There is an increase in the number of materials attracted. The correct answer is letter A. It loses its magnetism. Why is the wire used in an electromagnet coiled? A. It has more force. B. It makes the electromagnet stronger. C. It controls the field of attraction. Or D. It controls the flow of electricity. The correct answer is letter B. It makes the electromagnet stronger. Which of the following can make an electromagnet stronger? A. Adding more dicels. B. Using a core with bigger diameter. C. Increasing the number of turns in the coil of wire. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer is letter D. All of the above. That's it for today, class. Thank you for listening. Until next time, bye!